Armand Guillaumin, February 16, 1841, died June 26, 1927, he was a French Impressionist painter and lithographer. Jean-Baptiste Armand Guillaumin in Paris. He worked at his uncle's lingerie shop while attending evening drawing lessons. He also worked for a French government railway before studying at the Académie Suisse in 1861. There, he met Paul Cézanne and Camille Pissarro, with whom he maintained lifelong friendships. While he never achieved the stature of these two, his influence on their work was significant. With these two friends, Guillaumin exhibited at the Salon des Refusés in 1863. The three artists frequently painted in each other's company in the 1870s. For a time, Guillaumin and Cézanne had studios next door to each other on the Île Saint-Louis in Paris. In 1873, Cézanne made the only etchings of his career, one of them depicting Guillaumin. In 1886, he became a friend of Vincent van Gogh, whose brother, Theo, exhibited and sold some of his works. Vincent held Guillaumin's work in high regard, commenting on it in at least 36 letters written from 1888 to 1890. In the mid-1880s, Guillaumin's studio was a meeting place for young artists such as Paul Gauguin, Paul Signac, and Georges Seurat. Guillaumin was finally able to quit his government job and concentrate on painting full-time in 1891, when he won 100,000 francs in the state lottery.